Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Yes guys, today I bring to you another amazing and very powerful video. Today we are talking about the 7 health benefits of purple cabbage. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video, and also please kindly subscribe if you love what you see. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. I don't take them for granted, okay? So guys, let's dive into the video. Purple cabbage has slightly high levels of flavonoids and anthocyanin than green cabbage and has long been used as a herbal medicine. Purple cabbage is the perfect food for people trying to lose weight because it has relatively more nutrients and fewer calories than many other vegetables. Purple cabbage is a good source of vitamin K and provides small amounts of calcium, magnesium, and zinc, which can help build and maintain healthy bones. One, reduces inflammation. Inflammation causes unnecessary pain and discomfort and can also lead to a host of other diseases and ailments. Glutamine, an amino acid found in cabbage, is a strong anti-inflammatory agent, helping to reduce joint pain, arthritis, and haze allergies. Two, improve brain health. Cabbage, particularly the purple variety, is a powerful brain food, and it contains vitamin K and the antioxidant anthocyanin, which boosts mental function and concentration. 3. Reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Researchers have identified nearly 20 different phenols in cabbage, all which demonstrate antioxidants. Nutrients play a role in decreasing your risk of several cardiovascular diseases. Number 4, heals ulcer. Cabbage has been historically known to heal ulcers due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have found that drinking cabbage juice is very effective in preventing ulcers. Five, clears the skin. Antioxidants play a major role in the health of your skin. Free radicals are an underlying cause of wrinkles, skin discoloration, and other conditions. Cabbage contains a wealth of different antioxidants that can turn around the aging process of your skin. Six, anti-aging properties. Antioxidants shield you from the effects of free radicals. They lessen the indications of aging caused by free radicals. Antioxidants can help prevent wrinkles and age spots by keeping your skin smooth, firm, and flexible. Seven, enhance gut health. Purple cabbage is abundant in both insoluble and soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber adds volume to your stools and helps food pass more smoothly through your gut, lowering your risk of constipation. While soluble fiber feeds the good microorganism in your stomach. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned one or two things from this video. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video. Please kindly subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.
I should fuck her in the best.